Hello guys and welcome to the channel. In today's video, I will be showing you guys how to use the DeepSeek AI. We're just gonna go in and explore their features in general. It's gonna be super easy, don't worry. I'll show you everything that there is to know about it. And it's gonna be really easy. So let's just dive in and see how it works. We'll just of course start with the general start now button, and it needs of course an email. There has been a lot of stuff that happened with DeepSeek AI, so as they said, the registration may be a little busy, depends. We're just gonna log in with the Google account, so I'll just do that. It's gonna do a little check, and while it does that, we can go in and see what they do. As you can see, they have a lot of good scores out of everything. This is just revolutionary in terms of AI. Imagine leaving everything behind in the dust like that. Let's just do that. Sign in to DeepSeek. But apparently there is a Google login issue, so we're just gonna try that again. I'm gonna try it with a phone number or an email address. I'm gonna check what can be done about it, because that's something that can happen to you too. And I'll see you guys after. Okay guys, so basically the email registration actually worked. I would say do not use the Google registration method, because as you guys saw that, I tried it a minute ago and the Google registration is down. They're not letting you use that in general. And of course, the moment I did the email registration, with my own email directly, it worked. Now we are in. So the thing with the, of course, DeepSeek AI is they have a lot of stuff that you can turn on and off. As you can see, we have a few options. There is an app, there is a profile section, there is the chat features. This is just classic. You can do a lot of chat features with any AI these days. And in the My Profile section, we're gonna see settings. We have the language settings, we have the theme, there's a light, dark, and system. My system is already dark in Google as well, but of course this is how the light looks. And the of course system is English or Chinese, which is fair, I guess. And of course there are other stuff here. There are the terms of use and privacy policy. So what we're going to do is we're going to see what it can do and how it can do. There are three options, by the way. As you can see, text extraction only. You can upload stuff to it and docs or images, and it does text extraction. It you just upload an image and it just pulls the text from it. And these are toggleable options, which are search the web when necessary and use DeepSeek R1 to solve reasoning problems. So what you can do is you can give it really weird and maybe obsolete questions, and you can see what it does to it. So I'm just gonna go, hi DeepSeek. Let's just make it nice with the AI. You guys know all the jokes about AI just catching us, getting us Terminator style. So I'm gonna be nice to DeepSeek. I'm not gonna be evil to it. It's thinking for a lot. That's probably because a lot of people are using DeepSeek at the point. Okay. Why am I? Oh, that's actually cool. It is giving. Oh, this is the reasoning. Okay, this is DeepSeek AI's reasoning tool. This is cool. Have you ever heard of the trolley problem? We have given it search capability, so even if it doesn't know it, it should be able to give us some answer based on what it researched. I like this. I'm liking the insight thoughts parts, because I think this is deep think. We'll try that. We'll try that in a second. I want to see what it does with a more complex situation, And I'm gonna, of course, like go on and try the uploading file function as well. We're gonna see how that works. And then we're gonna like try new chats and everything. We'll see. Whoop, server is busy. Well, let's try that again. I mean, we already knew the servers were busy, unfortunately. Oh, okay. Okay, now it works. You just gotta try it again. Oh my God. What? No. Oh no. This part is scary. This is like actually scary. Wow. Okay. I was just gonna ask like DeepSeek what it would do in this situation, but I'm getting scared of this part. Huh, okay. Okay, that's a whole new can of worms. What would you do in a situation like this? Say 1 or 5. That's, wait, what? I have never heard that one. That is, okay, these parts are fine. Like, these parts are your average AI just doing smart stuff. And these parts are just too human for me, honestly. Wow. They are getting smarter every day. I hope it can give me an answer. I hope it can give me a proper answer. Come on. Come on, you can do this. You can do that. Oh my God. Okay. Let's just ask that again. Should work. I mean, it didn't work here as well, and then it did here. Hopefully it will work. And meanwhile, in the meantime, like, you can always open a new chat here and like go the same. I'm not gonna go too deep this time. We're just gonna say hi and see what it does. This one is still thinking. Of course, like, because of like everybody using DeepSeek at this point, the servers are probably like down in the dust. They're just like destroying the servers at this point. But of course, like, even if these guys are thinking, it will give me something akin to this. Like, this helped me a lot with the whole AI situation. And of course, if there is any problem about it, you can always go my profile and then say delete all chats, and this deletes everything and destroys all evidence. But of course, that's generally it, and I hope this video helped you guys, and if it did, don't forget to give us a like and maybe even subscribe to our channel. I'll see you in the next video as well. Have a great day, and goodbye.